glycolysis structural pathway. First, what is glycolysis? Glycolysis means glucose is converted to pyruvate with the production of ATP molecules. Three German microbiologists, Emden, Meyerhoff and Parnas, they are first demonstrated in yeast cells. So the glycolysis is otherwise called as EMP pathway. This reaction takes place in cytoplasm in all cells. Totally 10 enzymes involved in this reaction. Next, the glycolysis in 3 stages: energy investment phase and splitting phase and energy generation phase. Next, we are going to see structural explanation. First, glucose structure. Glucose having 6 carbon atoms. First, the functional group is aldehyde group, that is the aldose. CHO, CHOH, 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 CHOH and 6th carbon CH2OH, that is a glucose structure. That glucose is converted to glucose 6-phosphate. Here the first reaction is phosphorylation reaction. Here enzyme hexokinase enzyme. Here ATP molecule is converted to ADP. The ATP is a 3-phosphate. That 3-phosphate is converted to adenosine triphosphate is converted to adenosine diphosphate. The 1-phosphate molecule is added with the 6th carbon atom. So the glucose is converted to glucose 6-phosphate. The 6th carbon atom CH2OP. Next, second step, the glucose 6-phosphate is converted to fructose 6-phosphate. Here enzyme phosphoglucoisomerase. Here isomerization takes place. Interconversion of an aldose into ketose. The 2nd carbon atom hydrogen molecules is going here. So that is first carbon atom aldehyde is converted to CH2OH and 2nd carbon atom CHOH is converted to C double bond O group. The glucose 6-phosphate is converted to fructose 6-phosphate. Next, third step, fructose 6-phosphate is converted to fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. Here phosphorylation takes place. Enzyme phosphofructokinase. Here ATP, adenosine triphosphate, is converted to ADP. The 1-phosphate, that 1-phosphate molecule is added with the first carbon atom. So the CH2OH is converted to CH2O phosphate group. That is fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. Up to this stage is a energy investment phase. Here ATP molecule is consumed or utilized. Next stage is a splitting phase. Here aldose enzyme, 4th stage, aldose enzyme fructose 1,6 bisphosphate is converted to 3+3 carbon. First one is a dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Splitting is taking place here. So CH2OP and C double bond O. Here one hydrogen molecule is shifted to here, so CH2OH. That is a dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Next, another product, balance CHO groups. CHO group and CHOH, CH2OP, that is a glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. That is a 4th step. Next, dihydroxyacetone phosphate is converted to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Here enzyme phosphotriose isomerase is a enzyme. Here isomerization takes place. Here also same, aldose is converted to ketose. At the same time, ketose also converted to aldose. 6th step, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is converted to 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate. Here enzyme glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase enzyme. Here oxidation and phosphorylation takes place. First phosphorylation. Phosphorylation means phosphate group is added. Phosphate H3PO4, that is the structure of phosphate group. Here one hydrogen atom and from here one hydrogen atom, 2 hydrogen molecule is added with NAD. So that NAD is converted to NADH plus hydrogen ions. Remaining phosphate group is added to this carbon atom. So that is converted to COO phosphate group and CHOH and CH2OP. That is a 1,3 bisphospho first carbon and third carbon is having phosphate group. So 1,3 bis means 2 bisphosphoglycerate. Next step, seventh step. 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate is converted to 3-phosphoglycerate. Here enzyme phosphoglycerate kinase enzyme. Here substrate level phosphorylation. Here ADP is converted to ATP. From first carbon phosphate group is going out. So the ADP is adenosine diphosphate is converted to adenosine triphosphate. Remaining COO group, CHOH and CH2OP. That is a 3-phosphoglycerate. Third carbon having phosphate group. So that is a 3-phosphoglycerate. Next, eighth step, 3-phosphoglycerate is converted to 2-phosphoglycerate. Here shifting of phosphate group. Phosphate group is shifting. Where means the third carbon to second carbon. So COO minus then CHO phosphate groups and CH2OH. The hydrogen group is coming here. CH2OH, that is a 2-phosphoglycerate. Next, ninth step, 2-phosphoglycerate is converted to phosphoenol pyruvate. Here dehydration, enzyme enolase enzyme, here dehydration takes place. Dehydration means removal of water molecules. Where from where? Here OH and here hydrogen. So that water molecule is going out and this bond is shifting to here. So COO minus and COP double bond CH2. This is a phosphoenol pyruvate. Last step, phosphoenol pyruvate is converted to pyruvate by the enzyme pyruvate kinase enzyme. Here substrate level phosphorylation, at the same time dephosphorylation. Dephosphorylation means ADP is converted to ATP. So the 1-phosphate molecule is released from second carbon atom. So the phosphate group is going out from second carbon atom. The double bond is break. So the double bond is one bond shifted to here. So COO minus C double bond O and CH from one hydrogen atom is coming from that phosphate group. So the CH2 is converted to CH3. That is the pyruvate. So glycolysis means 1 molecules of glucose is converted to 2 molecules of pyruvate. Because how 2 molecules means from cleavage steps. From here to 2 glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate molecule is converted to 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate and 2 molecules of 3-phosphoglycerate and 2 molecules of 2-phosphoglycerate and 2 molecules of phosphoenol pyruvate and finally 2 pyruvate is formed. From 5th step to final step, that is a energy generation phase, because 4 ATP molecules. 7th step 2 ATP molecules and 10th step 2 ATP molecules. Totally 4 ATP molecules are produced. So the 5th step to final step is a energy generation phase. Overall reaction, glucose is oxidized to pyruvate, NAD is reduced to NADH and ADP is phosphorylated to ATP. Thank you students. Thanks for watching this video.